simulated engine failure. Our gear is up. We have the blue indicator at a pitch for 60. Bilge pump is on. Landing light is on.
Caution, terrain ahead.
Now I'm going to take that biggest bit I can find because it says we got a little bit of a tailwind. I'm not sure I believe it, but just a few knots fast. We're going to maintain that energy. Got my water in sight.
Terrain, pull up,
Just holding it off.
pull up. Terrain ahead, pull up.
Did it make it a full stop or?
Whatever you like.
Yeah, that's fine.